Hey friends, it's Tracy here at countrycharmedbytracy.com. Let's take a peek inside my Christmas in July shop. Now I have several crafts and creations that I have done ready, available to ship out to you. I also have added some advice from Printables that are in my Christmas shop. I have a cardinal, several other ones I'll tell you about in just a second. Now the options that I have available, I have an 8x10, a 5x7, or the primitive layering option in the printable bundle. Or if you don't want the bundle, I have an 8x10 available as well as the two 5x7s. Just wanted to kind of give you options. I also added this sweet country Santa, guys. Santa has my heart. I mean, Jesus is the reason for this season, absolutely, first and foremost, but Santas, especially country Santas, just have my heart. So I have a couple of different options for you. I also have a country snowman. And so if you would like to see exactly what they say, like advice from a country snowman, it has all of the information there on my website. I also give you display ideas of what you can do with it because, you know, I'm a very visual person. So I like to see and just kind of be inspired. I also have a gingerbread baker one. Guys, this one is a very popular. It was one of the very first ones that I added here to my advice from, a ... series. And it's a very popular. Also have a Christmas country Annie. Now, I absolutely love this. Again, you can get different display ideas of what you can do with it. You can do your own thing, of course, but I wanted to give different ideas. I also have a gift to you, advice from a country Christmas tree. This print bundle, if you want to support my, my little shop, I have it available for purchase or as my free gift to you. You just need to put in tree free print discount code at checkout, and you can get this bundle printed for free. And that's my gift to you this season. Again, I have just different finished crafts in my shop. I'm also going to be adding more as I go along for this month. And so I wanted to give you just a sneak peek inside my Christmas shop over at countrycharmedbytracy.com. Also give you a peek at the printables if you aren't aware that I do have those available for instant download in my shop at countrycharmedbytracy.com. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.